You capture a perfect moment on your phone. It feels like magic. Then you zoom in, and it falls apart. What if your Android could actually rival a pro camera? Not almost, not close. Actually rival it. Today, the 5 best Android phones for photography in 2026. Insane sensors. AI that actually works. Zoom that feels almost unfair. Whether you're chasing golden hour vibes or building your next viral reel, one of these belongs in your pocket. And the number 1 pick? It might surprise you. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5. Vivo X300 Ultra. This one feels like a photographer's secret weapon disguised as a sleek smartphone. Quad camera setup. Massive sensors. That signature Vivo color tuning, delivering portraits with creamy bokeh that makes your subjects pop like they're in a studio. Low light, it handles shadows and highlights with a natural grace that turns night scenes into dreamy paintings. Manual controls give you that tactile pro camera feel without ever leaving the phone interface. Battery life is marathon strong. Shoot all day without reaching for a charger. Cinematic video alongside stunning stills. A storyteller's dream. Priced as a true flagship and worth every penny of it. Number 4. Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Like a magic, right in your hands. Imagine a phone that thinks like a mirrorless camera. 200 megapixel telephoto that crushes distant details. Versatile lenses tuned for everything. Street candids, epic landscapes, tight portraits. Colors are rich yet true to life. Skin tones feel authentic, not overly polished. Fast charging, huge battery. Never left with a dead phone mid-shoot. The hardware-software harmony is what sets it apart. Stabilizing handheld shots, enhancing dynamic range, anticipating what you need before you ask. For creators who want flagship power without compromise, this is pure excitement in every single frame. Number 3. Oppo Find X9 Ultra. The Zoom King. Redefining what's possible on a phone. Dual telephoto lenses let you reach out and capture intimate details from afar without losing sharpness or character. Hasselblad collaboration shines through the color science. Images with that premium, film-like depth. Surprisingly nimble for its size. Buttery smooth performance. Battery that laughs at long days. Wildlife. Architecture. Portraits with beautiful compression. This phone turns challenges into opportunities. Optional accessories like grips make it feel like a dedicated camera system, not just a phone. If long-range creativity fires you up, this one's an absolute thrill ride. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Still dominating, and for very good reason. Refined camera array, now with an even brighter main sensor. Vibrant daylight colors. Moody indoor shots. Every scenario handled with authority. S Pen integration unlocks precise editing right on that gorgeous display, making post-production a genuine joy. Zoom remains class-leading. Crop creatively without quality drops. Samsung's ecosystem polish means seamless sharing and AI tools that enhance without overdoing it. Premium in every interaction. Perfect for pros and enthusiasts who want reliability wrapped in luxury. Power, flexibility, stunning package. This one delivers consistently. Number 1. Google Pixel 10 Pro. Here's why it takes the top spot. Because it masters the art of effortless excellence. Google's computational photography is next level, understanding light, moments, and emotion in ways that feel almost intuitive. Point, shoot, get stunning results. Natural colors. Incredible dynamic range. Details that pop even in the trickiest conditions. The AI features aren't gimmicks, magic editor tweaks, smart suggestions, tools that genuinely elevate your shots. Lightweight, comfortable for all-day carry, brilliant stills and solid video. For most people, this is the one that just works, turning ordinary days into extraordinary memories. Without fuss, without effort, pure photographic joy, 5 phones. 5 ways to completely change how you see and shoot the world. Which one are you going with? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what kind of shots you're chasing. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more honest tech deep dives. Links to all 5 are in the description. Go check them out and start creating today. I'll catch you in the next one.